In 2020, I witnessed and also had firsthand experiences of various forces trying to crush resistance movements. Black Lives Matter protesters were attacked by law enforcement all across the country, from Washington, D.C. to Portland, Oregon. And even in my hometown of South Pasadena, protesters were repeatedly assaulted by white nationalists. The sculptures were originally made to evoke the power of the human voice and the resiliency of the human voice, despite attempts to silence it. The sculptures are all sonosculptures. They're sculptural instruments that make sound. So when you use them, they amplify the human voice. They have a hole in the palm of their hand, which is connected to the bell of a trumpet, and you use them by literally covering your mouth. So it's kind of a contradiction because your mouth is covered, but then your mouth is amplified. Sounds of the Swamp also involves participation and collaboration by 4 local musicians. And the musicians are working with the sculptures to activate them and to create sounds with them. Working with local Houston artists has been a real pleasure of the exhibition, and just a way for me to explore the meaning of the sculptures even further. COVID-19 is a time when so much of our communication is mediated by screens. Our physical experiences have been so altered. So having an outdoor display like this with sculptures that evoke the human body and performances that involve sound feels resonant. It also allows the sculptures to exist in the world, for their meaning to be in constant flux and to be constantly recreated and to connect with the context in which we're living, the human interaction, the politics, and the environment.